How to make a Doordash delivery account. Now for this, we'll actually need a separate application. So just close out of Doordash and go into the App Store. And here we'll just search for Doordash like so. And you will be able to see that we have the Dasher app as a separate one. So we just want to click on Get here and just confirm the installation. Okay, give it some time to install here. And I'll just pause and come back in a second once this has finished downloading. Okay, so the application has just finished downloading and I've opened it up. So you will see an option here, sign up to Dash. Now once we click on it, it is going to ask us for our postal code. So sign up to become a Dasher here. And the first thing that we need to do is write our postal code. So I've just written it here and I can select it from the drop-down menu and I'll click on next. Now for the next step, we will need to input our email address, which I will do. And after you have input your email address, the last step will be verifying your phone number here. So if you're from the US, Canada, Australia, or New Zealand, you will need to verify your phone number. And after that, you will be able to proceed with your created delivery driver on Doordash account. So that's basically how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.